If I told you I made over $10,000 from YouTube without showing my face, you'd probably think I'm lying. And honestly, if someone told me this even a year ago, I wouldn't have even believed them. But my channel recently crossed 100,000 subscribers, and over the past few years, it has become a real career. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how this channel makes money, how this channel runs, and everything that I learned in this journey. And also in the end, I'll have a special section for you all as a give back to the community. So make sure to stick to the end of the video. So let's begin with the first chapter, YouTube ads and niche. Most people think when they think about YouTubers is that most of their income comes from YouTube, which is wrong. YouTube ads is, you could say, just one source of income. The most important thing that I'd say is important for these types of channels is consistency. You can be in any niche, football, editing, anything, money, anything. Consistency will always reward the creator who is consistent and isn't dropping out every now and then, who is indecisive. So you gotta be consistent. And speaking about niche, selecting a niche becomes very important. When I started YouTube, I chose the football edits scene because at that time it was booming. And as we all know, the audience football holds. It brings in a huge amount of traction to your channel, and because of which we get a lot of sponsors. And this is where our second chapter comes in, that is sponsors. The first ever email I got from a sponsor felt like a scam. It felt like somebody was trying to scam me. At that time, I wasn't really a big creator and I wasn't really known as much, but brands don't really look at your views, your subscribers. What they buy is they buy attention. Any person who has a great audience who trusts them a lot will earn more than a person who has like millions of subscribers but they don't tune into his videos. So you need to be proactive with your content. So how do you set up yourself for sponsorships? It'll be pretty easy to explain because I have done it myself. The first thing you need to do is you need to increase your social media presence. You need to be present in all social media apps, Instagram, TikTok, if TikTok is available to you, TikTok, YouTube, you need to be everywhere. You need to be present, you need to have a good audience interacting with you. And with these three things, you need to also make a contact email which they can directly contact you with. Like I have my own email, flexicr700@gmail.com, shameless plug, please sponsor whoever. So yeah, you need to have an email and you need to plug that email to all of your social media platforms. That is how you get paid. You don't need to mail thousands of sponsors that sponsor me. I have got a great video idea. You don't need to ask sponsors. Sponsors will come to you. Chapter 3, the catch. See, I know many of you watching this video aren't monetized yet. So you're probably thinking, Flex, I'm not even monetized. How am I supposed to get paid? Don't worry, because I'll get you paid. All you need to do is make these kinds of edits for me.
I'm on the wolves when you get nasty back.
And I'll be providing you with the resources as well. And the best part, you will be allowed to post it to your channel as well. But I'll be helping you how to grow your own channel as well. So if you're interested, make sure to fill up the link in the description of the Google Docs. Yeah. Thank you for watching and make sure to comment down below if you want more videos like this. Thank you all for watching and peace.
Manish on the beat, shebang. All of my ops, they dead. Why do they gas me up? Where does it go?